Hey everyone, I'm back after the longest time today, and today the video is all about my London haul. So I visited London recently, and there's a small haul that I'm capturing in this video. I hope you all really like it. So starting with the Harry Potter stuff. So I went to the Warner Brothers Studios, and my brother got me a bunch of things. So let's start with the first thing. The very funny photos that you can click on the green screen there, and then you can get yourself printed copies. So these are very funny. I'll show you how this looks. So this has this thing, and finally you have your photo. So that's me there. I know it's quite funny. I'll show you the other one that I've got. So, and also there's like the videos that you get there. The next one is also same, and this is the photo before the night bus. And also the raw video footage of you flying on a broom is there. It's very cool. It's very funny, I know, but it's quite cool. And the next thing that I've got from there is a poster. So you get a poster also. Like you can buy the poster. I don't know why it's not coming out. Yeah, it's on this side. So I'm gonna like put them into frames and put them on the wall. And this is the poster that I got from there with my brother and my sister-in-law. We three went there. So it says undesirable number one, like the Harry Potter Daily Prophet posters that used to be. So it's similar kind of that. It also had the witches wanted, wizards wanted, and all those things. But I took this one because we were like of two genders, right? We cannot have witches or wizards only, so we needed to have something which is gender neutral. So I got this one. So yeah, now Harry Potter. Other things that I got from there is my brother got from me, rather I did not spend. So this is a tote bag which I got from there. It has a Harry Potter London Zinningball written, and this side it has the glasses, the chosen one written. It's quite big. I don't know if the screen is able to do justice the size or not. It's quite big. It can fit a lot of things. It's a normal cloth tote bag, but it's Harry Potter. It's quite cute. So when I'm done with this one, so next thing that I got from there is this Hermione Granger little softie. This is not very soft, I would say, but it's not a squishy, but a nice one. And moving on, I've also got Albus Dumbledore. This is a squishy. This is very, very soft. It is very soft. I love this. And this does not have anything, if you are allergic to some certain kind of material or anything, I don't think you'll be allergic to this one because this is quite cute. And not only because it's cute, but also because it does not have any fur or anything. And what else did I get from Harry Potter? Yes, I got a pair of this nail filers. I'll show. I'll take out one and show. So this is how it looks. It's for Gryffindor. It had for all the four houses. It's for buffing your nails and all. This one is even prettier. So this one is even more prettier. Let's have a look at this. I actually don't know what you do with, like, I only do the uses, like, when I cut my nails, I just buff them, like, the sharp edges I just do with this. I don't know what else these to be used for, but I got them because they're slick, so cute. And this was for about okay, this was for 3.95, so approximately £4. Yeah. The next thing that I got from Harry Potter is this one. This is a Christmas at Hogwarts sweatshirt. I got an oversized fit because I don't like very tight fits. So this is how it looks. It's quite pretty. It has this kind of a material inside, so I'm sure this is gonna keep you warm as well. Yeah, quite like this. And so this is a Gryffindor pen that I got from the Hogwarts store in Warner Brothers Studios. This has Gryffindor written on it. It has the emblem, This is very pretty. It's a little heavy. Like I won't use it for regular writing. It's quite on the heavier side, but it looks so nice. And this is a twist pen. Yeah, this is how it looks. And I'm gonna keep it as a memento that I got from there. This is very pretty. That is all I got from Harry Potter. So they were like quite expensive there, because this particular sweatshirt that you saw right now was for about 60 to 65 pounds, which is quite a lot. But then yeah, you get it because you love it. Because it's not every time that we're traveling to London and going to the Wizarding World, right? So yeah, the next thing that I got was for Primark. So let's start with Primark now. So I got this red again, this more sherry sweater from Primark. This is also a like loose fit, nice oversized thing. This was for 17 pounds, which I think is quite decent. And this is also, the material is woolen, like it's thin, but it's gonna keep you warm. You know, when I touch it, I can feel. I've not worn it till now. It's nice and fresh out of my closet right now. And this is on the thinner side. I'm not sure how much warm this is going to be, but I picked up this one as well from Primark. These are like the Christmas sweaters. This is ho ho ho. So the thing that I noticed in Primark was, the sizes. If you look for the bigger sizes, I am a big size girly, so I need a bigger size, and I like to wear a little loose fitting clothes. So the big sizes were not there. Like they actually had the smaller sizes available. So the thing that I could, you know, think of it was the big sizes run out really quickly there. Then I got this pair of fuzzy socks from Primark. These are very, very soft, and you know, I like socks. I love socks, so why not? And also, I got another thing from Primark. So, this is the Primark's lip oil that I was talking about. This is Candy Cane Kiss, the name of it, and this is how it looks. The flavor is of a candy, but as far as the color goes, it's quite translucent, but it's quite moisturizing. So yeah, I liked it. After this, probably. And also one thing I missed is this Harry Potter, another bracelet that I got. I got a size extra because I thought I'll be needing an extra large, but apparently it seems like I would have, a large size would have been enough. So, and I separately got these three charms. One is 9 3/4 quarters. Another one is the letter from Hogwarts, and this is the scar charm. So what I noticed is I've been wearing this regularly from the day I got it. So you can see like the color was silver when I originally got it, but now you can see, right, the color has changed. So I think this might be due to, this coming in contact with water. I should not have worn this in water, maybe like while washing hands and all that, but because during taking a bath I opened this and go, but I don't know, it came in contact with water, but not too much. I don't know why the color faded, and it's, if you can see, this has become like this, but still it's very pretty, and I like to wear such things, so I keep on wearing this. It's like every day at home, when I'm heading out, I'm always wearing this now. Now moving on to, we also went to the Stamford Bridge Stadium, which is the Chelsea's home ground, because my brother is a very big fan of Chelsea. So I'll show you what all we got from there. Like none of us did, only he got things from there. Also from Primark, I got a very cute this thing, earmuff. I'll show you how it looks. And this is how it looks. It has these bells. Okay. I found it very cute and it's very, very comfortable. Let me wear it for the rest of the video. Okay. So the Chelsea thing we have got. I'll show you the other stuff at first. There's a Chelsea magnet that we got, and I think it's probably in the freezer, so I've not got it. Got a lot of magnets from London, like about 12 or so. Some are given, some we have still with us. And the gift things I won't be showing because that's not something I'll be doing. So this is a mini car scarf. Till date, I'm not able to put it in this car. We need to do that. This is a Chelsea scarf. And there's one this also he got this Chelsea key ring for his bike, bullet, whatever. And a jacket. So Chelsea's official sponsor is Nike. So this is a Nike jacket, but also has a Chelsea logo up here, which is very cool. It's holographic, and you can see it's quite cool. Yeah, so that's all from Chelsea. My bed has gone so messy right now. I'm not able to find the rest of the things. So also we got a couple of things from Body Shop, because Body Shop was apparently a little bit cheaper than it's here in India. But those are for my mother, so that's a gift again. So I'm not showing those as well right now. And yeah, and one of my favorite purchases that I made is this one. This is a Mission to Mars watch by Swatch Omega. I have been eyeing this watch for the longest time and I wanted my hands on it. So first when it came out, there were like queues outside. People were not getting the watch, and I fortunately got this one. So I did not plan on getting this one neither on this trip nor sometime soon. I was just eyeing it and I thought I'll get it one day. But then it was the Swatch store in Covent Garden. I entered there and I was like looking out for different watches and all. And suddenly I felt like let me ask if they have this, and they had it, and I was like, okay, wow, let me get this one, because I've been wanting this for the longest time. So why not take something you love rather than taking something very random. So this is how it looks. I'll take it out. So this is like one of the dream things, I wanted it for so long. I've kept it in the box. I'll keep it in the box only. So this is how it looks. Yeah. So this says Omega here and this says Swatch here. The Swatch watches were like really cool. So if you can see, this is how it looks. So when I was a little kid, the mall that we all used to go for, Melgin Mall, that we have in Kolkata. So there was a Swatch store, and I always wanted to have a watch from Swatch because they were all colorful and nice, and as a kid you really like things which are colorful and nice. So I really wanted a watch from there. But then yeah, I never went to the Swatch store, and yeah, it never happened somehow. And since this particular variants came out, like Mission to Mars, Mission to Moon and all those, I was very eager to buy one for myself, but eventually it never happened. But now when I don't know, it's very very randomly, very suddenly it happened. I went to the store, I asked for the watch and I got it, and yeah, boom, I got it. And yeah, that was it. And now there are two more things that I would show. One is a very dirty pair of Skechers. It's quite dirty, but anyhow, I got these. These were like fresh white shoes, but they've gone dirty now. They have helped me survive the entire walking that we did in London and Edinburgh, because these are quite light on your feet, and I loved how they felt on the feet, like snug fit on your feet. So it's quite nice. I loved, and it's white, so white goes with everything, right? And the other one that I got is a pair from Aldo. So Aldo was going on flat 50% off. So when I visited London, it was Black Friday. So Black Friday was falling at that time. So I got this pretty babies. So I'll give you a close-up of how these look. This has Aldo here. This is my first pair from Aldo. I've never had anything from Aldo before. And these look really nice. I tried on a couple of other shoes as well, but fell in love with this one. This look really nice. And the other thing that's there is this bangle, which we got from Portobello Market in Notting Hill. My brother got it for me. This is quite sturdy, and this is also waterproof. If you take bath in this also, wearing this is not gonna tarnish. So that's a cool point. And yeah, this is how it looks. That's pretty much all about the haul. I don't know if it was a haul or not. It was quite small, maybe, but I enjoyed everything that I purchased from there, and I loved every thing that I got from there. And everything is gonna be a memory that I've gathered from London. So London has been my dream city. Like, you know, when you're a child, you always want to go to London, especially during Christmas. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Let me know. I'll try my best to answer those. And yeah, I hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you on the next video. Bye.